Fence.
Oh, you're being too kind. Some people would use other words to describe what we just witnessed.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him. Keep the action inside the ring. That's where you're going to win this thing.
What do you think about John Cena?
Here's somebody who's willing to do just about anything to get to the top. I like it. That's the way it should be.
This kind of offense he's known for.
Yeah, you're right about that. He's made a name for himself with this. Much more of that, and he's not going to last long. Oh, man. Hurting the ribs and the lower back. That just takes all of the power out of you. This guy's just too strong. Stay down. Stay down. What a move! What a smart move!
Not today, too fast.
Oh, look at this!
He's setting up.
A quick pin. Can he do it?
Maybe. And the shoulders up.
And the match continues. I love this.
What do you have to do to keep this guy down? Looking highly motivated here. He's moving like a man possessed. Cena with a textbook counter.
Yeah, you know, I know some people don't want to hear it, but the truth is, John Cena is so technically sound.
When this guy's on, look out.
Hang on. Oh, my. Put it in the books. This one's got to be over now. Oh, look at Cena go. Oh, nice counter. John Cena with a nice reversal.
And the offensive display by John Cena. Some damage has been dished out, but certain shoulders, and he breaks the cover, forcing the referee to stop the count.
Well, that's just not enough to get the job done.
There's no keeping this guy down tonight.
Get ready, folks. Get ready.
Looking for the win.
This is such a painful hold. Anytime we have John Cena in the ring, Michael, I can't help but think of the most memorable matches he's given us over the years and what were some of the biggest events WWE has ever staged. I mean, maybe none bigger than his win over Edge at Unforgiven. The shoulders are down.
Oh, look at that. He managed to get a shoulder up.
Well, like they say, Cole, timing is everything.
What do you have to do to keep this guy down? He's setting it up. Thinking to avoid that.
John Cena with the offense.
The event we just brought up, Unforgiven in 2006, really was a benchmark.
Oh, talk about getting stopped dead in your tracks. He's got him down, Cole. Is this it?
And the shoulders up now. That's a kick out.
Nice.
There's no keeping this guy down tonight.
He's pulling out all the stops tonight.
Look at those eyes. And he's rolling. We're looking at complete domination here.
John Cena is taking this match to an entirely new level. Great counter. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Oh, when you're beat up, the The last thing you want to have to deal with is this amount of power.
This could do it. And a kick out.
And that's all that matters. This match continues.
What do you have to do to keep this guy down?
Oh, out of nowhere. Uh-oh.
Now that's how you make a statement.
Well, that's it.
He thinks he has it. 1, 2, and a kick out.
The kick out's all that saved him. This match goes on.
He simply refuses to stay down. For more than 20 years, Monday night has been the...
Oh, man, does he have that arm submission in tight? Whoa!
Would you look at this? Can you believe it? This is an undying will to succeed.
We're looking at complete domination here.
This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But, man, this has been physical.
The right hand hook. This one's in the books.
Hey, hook and book. It rhymes, Cole. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal.
Not today. Too fast.
Nowhere to go. Oh, he's got to do whatever he can here to try to break this hold. Wait a minute.
Refusing to give in there. What sheer determination.
Watch out here.
And this has got to be it.
Yeah, maybe.
And he kicks out.
And he lives to fight again. Just when you thought it was over. Wow. He's got him. Oh, submission. The hold's locked in. Oh, man, this has got to hurt. Look, he's still going. How? How is this possible? Now that's offense. After your... Hey, this may very well be it.
And the shoulders up.
And the match continues. I love this. Oh, there is no quit in this man tonight. He's showing no signs of letting up. Oh, man, that's got to hurt.
Whoa, a direct hit. Talk about getting tagged and knocked in the middle of next week.
Extra slow getting back to his base here.
Oh, wow.
You can't put a price tag on landing that perfect strike. And that nailed him.
Oh, what a shot. That did some serious damage. You can't take too many of those.
Executed perfectly, and check out the look of satisfaction in those eyes. Boy, he just got laid out. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Quick thinking to avoid that.
John Cena being...
That arm is now in an extremely compromising position.
Oh, he missed.
Oh, nobody home that time.
Showing an aggressive side here.
Oh, gosh. Hey, what do you want for your last meal?
Not today. Too fast.
No love lost between these two.
If he keeps up this pace, this could turn real ugly real fast. Well executed offense.
That's vicious. Cutting off our...
Submission holds locked in, and he's in big trouble.
Would you look at this? Can you believe it? This is an undying will to succeed.
Oh, yeah. Take a look at this. Here comes the champ.
I hope this is over soon. No matter how many times I see this, I just can't get used to it.
Wait a minute.
He can pin his opponent right here.
And the shoulder's up in time.
Well, as long as it's up before that 3 count, that's all that matters. I can't believe it. He just won't go away.
That landed perfectly.
We now have to question if he'll be able to come back after that. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now. He's got him hooked. Nowhere to go. Look at him trying to use all the strength and power he can muster to escape this.
This one's getting ugly. You might want to turn away if you have a weak heart. Wow, what a win.